We are not meeting here to discuss positions. We are not meeting here to discuss parties. We are meeting here to discuss the governance of the people of Kenya. And that governance is happening both at the national and the county level. And because the elections are behind us, we have a cardinal duty to think together on how Kenya can be better. I want to urge you that we focus on changing the fortunes of the millions who stood in long queues for many hours to elect us. Because we were in this together. We were in this as candidates together with our voters. The voters have discharged their part of the bargain. They have elected us. It's now us as leaders collectively to discharge our part of the bargain, to serve the people who elected us. It will be very unfair if we go on a trajectory again to engage in an exercise of trying to bring another conversation about us, the leaders, when the people are waiting for their part